Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Actually recording this one on on New Year's Eve. Okay, and time for Loot Crate. Actually, about a week past time, but I ain't gonna quibble. Yeah, I know. Should have been in last week. I guess there were shipping issues or something. And I'm opening it as if I don't already know everything that's in it, but hey, what the hell. Anyways, here goes. Oh yeah. Nice little Christmas sweater style t-shirt, which I am definitely wearing to the New Year's party tonight. All kinds of ships and everything. I'm pretty sure if I stop long enough to look at it, I'd probably recognize every one of them, but still looks cool. Definitely wearing that tonight. And okay, a little Halo 5 lunchbox. Comes with a download code for something for I guess a toolkit or something. A supply rec pack for Halo 2. Halo 5, I mean. I'm not a gamer, but never know. Toying with the idea of getting into a game or two. Anyways, see what's in there. Oh yeah, on the top of the shirt, got some BB-8 socks. Nice. Yeah, my lighting issue is horrible this week. I apologize. Anyways, it's BB-8 socks. Can't really see what the. Let me try to. Oh, geez, that's much better. It's BB-8 socks. See, cute. I mean, I still haven't seen the friggin' movie because it doesn't open here until last week of January at the earliest. They still haven't announced the date yet. Probably not until February. So yeah, next month's gonna be fun trying to dodge all the spoilers on Facebook. Anywho, it's like a older Han Solo Funko Pop. Try to move the light down so. Yeah, that looks creepy as hell, doesn't it? Anyways, yeah. Oh, jeez, that's no good. Yeah, as good as I'm gonna get, man. Great. Once the overhead one kicks in. Anyways, it's the Han Solo Funko Pop. Pretty sure it's a bobblehead too. Awesome. Definitely gonna stick that up. Let's see what else we got in here. Yes. Emblem patch from Galaxy Quest. An authentic replica apparently. Cool. And, of course, the requisite badge. So, yeah, that's cool. In the middle of rearranging everything here, but when I do that, it's definitely going on the shelf. Cool. Okay. And there. And of course the magazine comes with the book, and the inside of the box is all done up, all nice and neat. Flip it inside out, there's some kind of Halo thing, I'm sure. Oh well, find that out later. Anyways, let's see. Let me see what Comic Bento sent me this month. As always, they packed the living crap out of this. So here we go. They do believe in sealing their boxes, don't they? Oh, that is the top, okay. Label things there to protect it while shipping. That's going right in the trash. Honestly, I don't even remember what the theme was. Ah, throwbacks. Okay. So it's all retro stuff. Yeah, okay, so all retro here. Hang on. Fill the pack. Got it here. Put that there. Let's see. Okay, that's nice. Battlestar Galactica. Written by Dan Abnett and Andy Lanning. And really, if you want a good science fiction comic, Abnett and Lanning are the best ones you can get. Oh, goody. A little bit of 90s kit. Youngblood. Yay. Well, at least Liefeld didn't draw this one. Jeez. I'm through it. It almost looks coherent. Almost. Let's see. Marvel Masterworks. Invincible Iron Man. Oh, cool. Like all the classic issues. Nice. That's a good one. Oh, geez. Bio comic, I guess. The Fifth Beatle. The Brian Epstein story. Interesting. Cool. You see him get away from superheroes for once in a while. Yeah, this should be a fun read. Well, oh no, not bad. Yeah, I guess I didn't need to do it to a backing board because this is a freaking hardcover. Alright, well, oh no. Okay, that explains why they went with such a big box, too. Oh no, it's a pretty good haul. Well, hope y'all enjoyed. Have a happy new year. And I shall see you in 2016. Later.